because they're pretty cool. A lot of people like them. Hey, hold up, I'm not getting in your way. Just passing through. Just passing through. And they said that Mothman, and if you're familiar with Mothman and the story of Mothman, that's what they said people probably seen instead of a flying humanoid with wings. They said, oh, it's probably just a sandhill crane. I think that's what they're called. And they sound like nightmares, by the way. May I add. When they kind of sound like a screeching turkey. But I don't see another pink spoonbill, so maybe I can get it off my phone if I could get it to work again. We shall see. Hey, we are the wild ones. Turn up, barrel arrow.